Real quick video of how to change the time on the radio on an F-150. So two different ways to do it. If the radio is off and you hit menu, you'll get select hour. Hit it again, you get select minutes. There's no other options here. If the radio is on and you hit that, you will get a number of different options, but you can still get to it in the list. So the easiest way to do it is just turn the radio off. Hit the menu button. You won't use the knob to control the time. You'll actually use the seek buttons here. So we can change it. 6, 7, 8, back down to 4 minutes. Up and down until you get to the right place. Hit the menu button again and your time is locked in. So there you go, quick video how to change the time in your F-150, and it may apply to other Fords as well. Thanks for watching.